mushrooms.
Zebra could come now and drink, oder?
Why is it busy?
Take the chance while they're busy.
They are very clever.
It probably needs 9, huh?
Yeah.
Do they even have a chance with this Rhino?
Yeah, Rhino?
Who has a better chance is there, the Rhino or the Lions?
Rhino.
Okay.
That was a really good spot. Who spotted it? You did?
Me?
Yeah, that was a great spot.
Good eyes.
You saw the last time the Rhino. You have eyes for rhinos. One coming in from the back.
Feel like everybody.
No one wants to climb on his back here. It's like the zebra now.
Zebra they say, oh, it's too much in.
The zebras are gone.
They are all gone.
But the lions are now acting like the zebra. You go. Yeah. You first.
They're pretty gutsy. Look at they getting up close. Is that the male lion sitting back there?
Yeah, he's just watching.
Is he just sitting there watching?
Yeah.
That's unbelievable.
You know that they cannot do anything on the way.
He's a lazy bastard.
Unbelievable.
Look at the rhino starting to eat a drink.
Yep. I'll get you. Oh yeah. Probably can't move that fast anymore.
Wow. Magnificent.
No,
Just
you don't
stomped
see
his
this
feet.
every day either, don't you?
No.
He can't fall. If he falls down, then...
He slipped.
Those lions are hungry.
Oh, no. Oh, shit. They might have dinner after all.
Has to get out of the water.
Yeah. He slipped.
Yep. But did you see how fast he got out? Yeah, that's amazing for an animal.
Yeah, that would be very fast. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're getting you and they get in the water. Will be.
Here, says he stays in the water. And the big one is still laying back there. Huh?
Yeah.
All the rest of them are there now. He's not doing squat.
Just only watching.
This other one's gonna go off and see if he can get a zebra.
better than the heavy one.
Yeah. See if you can catch a zebra while they're watching the show. Oh, Gabriel, that was spectacular.
Yeah.
Really.
Good spot.
Yeah, that was.
Hij gaat vandoor.
Ja.
Kom eens van hem.
Oh.
Just start eating it. Yeah. I'll tell you, it could take a long time to die, this hippo.
Oh, bij de reclame had hij echt niks. Oeh, hij was bijna tekst, zag je dat? Hij kwam. Oh, nou, die kan niet.
Wij vragen het op, dus dan weet je niet wat het mij is.
Die zat die ruggengraat.
Ja, maar ik denk het gewoon niet.
Ja, hij was gewoon dood. Anders had hij niet blijven liggen.
An unusual pride of lions has been breeding within earshot of a large herd of hippos. Lions usually run from hippos, but at this age they don't yet know what they can't do, so they'll try anything. They're still unsure of themselves, but tonight they will test themselves against the magic of these fearful beasts that grunt their way through the darkness. Their behavior is bold and dangerous. They're still uncoordinated, just cubs really, out playing. But when the older brothers arrive, the game changes. And right here is how it probably all started. This grand adventure, this change within them that set these lions on a course to a different destiny.
Look how it goes and lies down. All the thing coming in there. They're cleaning up now. They don't worry about the baby. Yeah. Oh, there she is. If she goes down, they're going to keep her down.
Right, maybe they've had a slightly night, I don't know.